Hi, my name is Christian Frederickson. I am a student at Flatiron School. I'm enrolled in their online course, Software Engineering. This is my second project. This is a Sinatra-based MVC web application. More or less, my application, my website is a place for lapel pin collectors. Like if you go to Disneyland or Magic Mountain and you get the little pins of, Disneyland, Mickey Mouse, whatever, it's a pin, maybe it's a slice of pizza or a horror monster that you picked up at Comic-Con. Lapel pins, people collect them, they trade them, they have huge collections, and my project is a place to store those collections. It's in its very beginning stages. Everything is text-based. At some point I would like to update this so that we can have pictures uploaded and have a little more fun with this. But as it is, this is what my project is. I'm very happy with it, and I am going to close some of this stuff out. I'm going to bring it up, and now I will share my screen with you, and here we go. So, welcome to the PinBin, a place to keep track of all your pins. We have a little background image here of the kinds of pins I was talking about, these little enamel pins. You can get them everywhere. You got a navigation bar for the main page, which is where we are, my page, which this one, other collections, and log out. None of them are going to do anything right now because you're not logged in. They're just going to direct you to the login page, which is where this button right here would go. And here we are. But we don't want to log in. What we want to do is create an account. You're a brand new user, show you right from the very beginning what the user's experience would be. So we have ourselves a create account page where we can enter in Tony the Trader. TTT, how about that? At email.com, and it has a secured password. You can create an account. I have to apologize for the audio. The speakers on this thing are really shot out. Again, all I can say is I'm sorry, so please bear with me. So here we go. Welcome to your PinBin, Tony the Trader. If he asks to see pins, he's not going to see any pins. His own pin list doesn't have anything in it. He just signed up. He doesn't have any pins, right? Exactly. So we'll just go back and let's add a new pin. Let's add Tony the Trader's first pin. And let's say you got this one from Domino's way back in the day, and it's a mascot. And anybody know what the mascot was back in the day? Does anybody remember? The Noid. Remember what the Noid was? If you don't, look it up. Hysterical commercials for Domino's Pizza back in the day. So the Noid is Tony the Trader's new pin. And he's creating his pin. He clicks create pin, new pin, and boom. One shiny new pin, Tony the Trader, Domino's, mascot, not important about that bit right there, and the Noid. The Noid. Would you like to add another pin? Yeah, let's add another pin. All right, this one was from Knott's, and got himself a hero, and it's from Camp Snoopy, and whoops, Two O's. Snoopy on doghouse. Create a new pin. And here's another shiny new pin. Tony the Trader, Knots, Heroes, Camp Snoopy, Snoopy on the doghouse. Let me see my pins. So we can see my pins. You know what? Tony the Trader just traded his Knots pin, his Camp Snoopy Knots pin, and now what he's got is one from Comic-Con, right? It's a villain from The Walking Dead, and it's a zombie. Now we're going to update that pin that he just had. He doesn't have that pin anymore. He traded it, and he traded it for this one right here. So we'll update. And now that pin has been updated to a shiny new pin. See my pins? And it's now Villains, Walking Dead, Zombie, Comic-Con. Pretty cool. Let's go see other collections. I want to see who else is out there. And we got Jimmy and Ahmed and Polly PinBin. What's Polly PinBin got? He sounds like a fun guy. How many pins has Polly PinBin got? Oh, he's just got one. The Disneyland pin, Captain Jack. All right, well, let's go back a little bit. Let's see, what's Ahmed got? Oh, he's got two pins. But if you notice, I can't click on them. They're not my pins. So other users, their pins are safe from any nefarious acts. Even at this point, if I click on my own name, Tony the Trader, because of where I'm at, it still just shows me a list that can't be edited until I go back to my page. I click on my pins specifically, and now I can edit my pins. If I sold this pin, let's say this pin was worth a lot of money and I sold it, I could delete it now. And this action can't be undone. Once you click delete, that's it. So never mind. I'm not ready yet. So no, I'm not gonna delete it. But the next day, the offer comes back and he's offering me twice as much money. You know what? Yeah, now I'm definitely gonna go ahead and sell it. So I'll sell my pin here. I'll come into my collection and I will delete this pin. That brings me back to my page. If I click to see my pins again, I now only have one pin. And that's it. That is it. Let's go ahead and log out. And that is my entire application. I believe I've showed you all the features. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed programming it, building it. It was a lot of fun. And next time we shall see you. We'll be on the third project. Who knows what that might be. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Stay safe. COVID-19. God bless. And code your imagination to life.